I just want a picture of it doing a fucking burnout. That's all I want.
We're gonna get him right there.
I can see it.
If you go stand up there, you can go take a picture right now.
Yeah, but I'm zoomed in as far as my camera will go. Did you ever look at Aaron?
Oh yeah.
Dude. Oh shit, I'm videotaping the wrong shit. I was all over here videotaping shit. There's something about Aaron.
Now I'm cold.
There's something about Aaron and her fucking brown hair and fucking turquoise colored on. I cannot quit fucking shaking. Start the bitch already. Quit fucking jumping every time it does this shit.